Yes.
Earlier in the beginning of the lecture, you had mentioned that you had some other lectures out on the Greek courses. Maybe you know that one?
Yeah.
Okay, so I've seen your Greek courses lecture on the ethnicity of the Macedonians. And in there, I think if I understand it correctly, and correct me if I'm wrong, that the Macedonians and the Argead dynasty of Philip II and Alexander the Great, their Greekness and their claims to being Greek is dubious at best. Can you elaborate on it a little bit? Because it seems like the argument was based on...
The Argead dynasty in Alexander's time had been classified as Greek. That goes back to Alexander I, who was the king ruling at the time of Xerxes' invasion. And they allowed him to participate in the Olympic Games. And the court had officially adopted the Attic language in the time of King Archelaus. He ruled from 413 to 399 BC. The Macedonian population itself, it's unsure exactly what that language is that they speak. We have no inscriptions in the Macedonian language. What we have are Greek inscriptions, and they're from different dialects put up by the Greek, whatever his dialect was, you know, Aeolic or Doric. The best guess linguistically is that Greeks, Macedonians, and Phrygians, these are people in Asia Minor, that's what Gordian is, go back to a common language somewhere in the Balkans in the early Bronze Age. And that the Greeks moved into the southern part of the peninsula, the Macedonians are behind, the Phrygians crossed into Asia Minor at the end of the Bronze Age, and these